Up for sale today, I got a 1960 Impala, finished in Tuxedo black with factory correct kind of interior. It's an original white car. I think it was ermine white. Anyway, it's an 80,000 mile original car, one repaint, all electronic mechanical restoration, $10,000 in receipts, powered by a 350, 300 horsepower crate motor, brand new power brakes, dual reservoir with front disc, and a 700 R4 automatic trans. You know the deal. I'm going to walk around the car, tell you about the car, point out some of the flaws that the car has. Take a minute, subscribe to the channel down below, and like the video as well. It really helps me out. Thank you. So like I said, 1960 Impala, finished in Tuxedo black, real straight, clean, original car. Like I said, I believe it's a one repaint. I believe the gentleman also spent $2,000 on the tires, the hubcaps, the white walls, the rims itself. I believe I have receipts for that in the paperwork. I was just looking through that. Nice original chrome. The grille is nice as well. Body damage wise, the only thing on the car is this. It's almost like the owner, pulled into something at some point in its time. So that's as far as it goes body damage wise. It is black clear paint. It is clear coat. There are a few stone chips here on the paint and a couple right here along the hood. Very straight body though, very straight. There's no rust on the body. Glass is nice. This driver's side window is cracked. Oh my gosh. I bought a new one. It'll be included with the car. I have it in the trunk so that it will be sent. There's a little scratch right there. And then the paint is checking a little bit right there. And there's a couple of miscellaneous stone chips around the door. You open up and you walk inside. The door panels are okay. It's a little peeling here, coming off, and the trim, would go on there, but it's off right now. This interior is very, very nice. This little piece of material is kind of shredding off just here. Otherwise, it's all nice. There's no rips on the seat itself, just a little portion of the cloth. Dash is very nice. So like I said, 80,000 original miles from going by the receipts. And when the engine and transmission and mechanics were done, it looks like they're, let's say, maybe 2,000 miles. I wouldn't even say in a couple of years on this. Brand new carpet. Very nice back seat. Headliner's good. The paint shines excellent. It looks beautiful. The wings on the back, the monstrous trunk. Straight body again. Brand new stainless steel dual exhaust, brand new. A little chip there. Dust. So like I said, just going over it one more time. There's an old sticker from some state on there. I just noticed that now. Motor exhaust. I don't know what that is. Some sort of historical sticker on the car, showing its history. Is that Iowa? I don't even know. The door panels are probably the less satisfactory portion of the interior, but they're okay. Has an all-new wiring harness. Again, brand new carpet. Just going over one last time. 1960 Impala, Tuxedo black, factory correct interior. Styling interior, I keep saying factory correct. Antenna, both rear mirrors, 350, 300 horsepower crate motor, 700 R4 automatic transmission, brand new power brakes with front disc, wiring harness, dual exhaust, 80,000 original miles on the car. Pop the hood real quick. Very, very, very nice engine compartment. Show quality, aluminum radiator, polycarb. I like how he took the crate motor and made it look factory correct. Made it look like a 283. Surprised the people when you beat them down the road. So yeah, there you go. 1960 Impala. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna fire it up and then drive it around the block. Leave a like on the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.